Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking chapter 5 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can turn your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. I can do complete course for you with very reasonable price. I am also handling many students courses. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing and many more courses. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Now focus the title of assignment XP22 Excel chapter 5 cumulative assessment travel. You can see this assignment title first, and you can see project description to get idea about your project. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I can do complete assignment for you, and I can do complete course for you with A plus grade with very reasonable prices. Question 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP22 Excel chapter 5 cumulative assessment travel. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, we will download Excel workbook from Pearson Lab dashboard. You can download this file from your Pearson Lab dashboard easily. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. Now I am gonna showing my Excel workbook. That's I download from Pearson portal. You can see this subtotal and expenses workbook in this sheet. Now we will move on question number 2. In question number 2, before using the subtotal command, you must first sort the data on the subtotal worksheet, sort the data by employees and further sort by category. Both are in alphabetical order. Basically, in this question on the subtotal worksheet, sort the data by employees. Okay, we will sort the data on subtotal worksheet. First data is that sort the data by employees and further sort by categories. Both are in alphabetical orders. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description. I will do this for you with A plus grade. On the subtotal worksheet, sort the data by employees. Moving on Excel workbook. Okay, on subtotal worksheet, click on employees, click on sort and filter, click on custom sort. Okay, first level is that employees in alphabetical orders, and then we will add second level. Okay, you can see this employees further and sort categories. Both are in alphabetical order. We will add second level is categories. Click on add level, click on categories, select categories in second level categories. Okay, then press OK. Data will be stored in this table. Okay, this question is completely done right now. Now moving on question number 3. In question number 3, you want to subtotal the data to calculate expenses by employee. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by employees to calculate the total expense by employee. Okay, basically in this question, okay, use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by employees to calculate the total expense by employees. You can see this. We will use subtotal feature to insert subtotal row. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal row by employees to calculate the total expense by employees. Moving on Excel workbook, and then click on data tab on Excel workbook sheet. You can contact me for any course or click on data tab, then click on subtotal feature is here. Then we will subtotal rows by employees to calculate the total expense by employees. Click on expense at each change in expense, and then at total subtotal select sum. Select use function is sum function, and then expense and category. Okay, show add subtotal to expense, then click on OK. This is done now. Subtotal feature will be used, and this question is completely done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 4. In question number 4, you can see here Now you want to add the details for two employees and focus on detail for remaining employees. Collapse the divisions collapse Davidson and Miller section. Collapse the Davidson and Miller section to show only their totals. Leave the other individual rows displays. Basically in this question we will collapse the Davidson and Miller section to show only their totals. Leave the others individuals rows displays. You can see this. I am doing this assignment very slow because my all students will be understand very well and they will follow my video and got A plus grade in their assignment. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with very reasonable price and with A plus grade. I am also handling this course for my many students. Please contact me for your course help on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. Moving on, Excel workbook, collapse the Davidson and you can just collapse Miller section to show only their totals. Davidson and Miller section to only their total. Here is collapse and Miller section. Leave the other employees individual rows displayed. This is done now. Leave the other employees individual row displayed. Leave the rows individual. This question is completely done right now. Now moving on, next question is question number 5. I had done 4 questions of this assignment. In question number 5 you will see, for more detailed analysis you are ready to create a pivot table. Use expense worksheet to create a blank pivot table on new worksheet named summary. Name the pivot table categories. Basically in this question we will first we will switch expense worksheet and then we will create a blank pivot table on this worksheet and then we will change the name of pivot table. This worksheet is summary and then we will change the name of pivot table as categories. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email for your course help or you want to deal for any assignment. I will provide you A plus grade in your all assignment and complete course. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Sandgate, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities. Use the expense worksheet. Moving on, Excel workbook, click on expenses worksheet. Then we will create a blank pivot table. Create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet named summary. You can copy this named summary and then first we will create a blank pivot table on new worksheet. First we will click on insert tab, go to the insert tab, click on pivot table. Then click on pivot table, click on OK. Pivot table will be created. Click on OK. Then we will change the new sheet name is summary. You can copy this name or you will tap this name summary. First we press OK. Right click on sheet 1 and then we will change the new worksheet name as summary. Right click on sheet 1 and we will change this name summary. Press enter. New sheet name will be changed summary and then name the pivot table categories. You can copy this name pivot categories and then we will change the pivot table name to categories. Click on pivot table name, you can see right corner and we will tap here name categories. Then press enter. Name of pivot table will be changed as categories. Now we will move on. Next question is question number 6. You can see this. I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Question number 6 is that you want to include the categories and expense field in the pivot table. Use the categories and expenses field enabling Excel to determine where the field go to the pivot table. Okay, use the categories and expense field, enabling Excel to determine where the fields go to the pivot table. Please follow my video to got A plus grade in your all assignment and complete course. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete assignment for you with A plus grade. Use the category and expenses field. Click on categories. Okay. And enabling Excel to determine where field go to the and categories and expenses field is will be enabling. Where the fields go to the where go in the pivot table. Okay, this question is completely done right now. Now moving on, next question is question number 7. In question number 7, you want to display average expenses instead of totals. Okay, modify the value field to determine the average expense by category. Change the custom name to average expense. Modify the value field to determine the average expenses by category. Change the custom name is average expense. Okay, basically in this custom we will modify the value fields to determine the average expense by category. Okay, then we will change the custom name to average expense. Please follow my video to got A plus grade. Modify the value field to determine the average expense. Moving on Excel workbook, click on value field setting. Okay, we will change the custom name is average expense. Click on average and then we will change the custom name is that average expense. You can copy this average expense and then we will add custom name to average expense. You will change this custom name will be average expense. Okay, VERERAGE and then expense. EXPENSES. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on, next question is question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment right now. Now we will move on question number 8. Okay, format the value field with accounting number format. Okay, basically in this question we will apply accounting number format on value fields. Okay, select this value field, then click on average expense, click on value field setting and then click on number format. Click on number format, then first we will select accounting number format. Okay, then click on OK. Accounting number format will be applied on this value field. You can see this. Then press OK. This question is completely done right now. Now moving on, next question is question number 8. Question number 9. Okay, in question number 9 you will see on my instruction file. Question number 9 is that you want to display a meaningful label and select a different layout. You want to display a meaningful label and select a different layout. Tap category in cell A3 and change the grand total layout option to on for row only. Basically in this question we will click on cell A3 and then we will change this. We will tap categories on cell A3 and then we will change the grand totals layout option to on for rows only. click on cell A3, and then we will change this here categories. You will tap here category in cell A3. Okay, categories in cell A3. Categories in cell A3, and then press enter. Okay, and then change the grand total layout option to on for rows only. We will change the grand total option to layout. Click on design, click on grand total option. You can see where is grand total option. Here is grand total option on for rows only. Click on this. Okay, this question is completely done right now. Now we will move on question number 10. I have done 9 question of this assignment right now. Now we will move on question number 10. In question number 10, apply light blue pivot style dark 2 and display band rows. Please contact me if you do not ever do this assignment. You can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. If you need a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Okay, apply light blue pivot style dark 2 and display band rows. Basic in discussion. We will go to the pivot style, and then we will apply light blue pivot style dark 2 and then display band rows. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Sandgate, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. Apply light blue pivot style dark 2. Click on design, click on pivot style. Okay, you will apply this style. And display band rows, pivot style dark 2, apply blue. Okay, and then display band rows. Okay, we will you can see this. I have done this question, and then we will rows shows band rows. Where is band rows? You can see here band rows will be. Okay, this is done now. I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Please follow my video to get A+ grade. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do complete assignment for you with A+ grade. If you need help in complete course, I will do complete course for you with A+ grade. I am also handling many student courses. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, writing, economics, English and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video to my all students. Thank you so much. Best of luck.